much. You have enough now. I think what she's gonna send is going to be the last of it. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Tyler, say good morning to the faves. Honey.
Hi guys.
I'm to go to master truck. Yes, I want to wear costume. So want to buy AJ.
Okay. When you watch too much Blaze, he loved this cartoon called Blaze, and he's into all the characters. So he's telling you guys that he wants to go ride monster trucks. But I don't know if of any monster truck place in the area, so I don't know which monster truck he's gonna get to ride. Anyway, you guys, good morning to you.
My place is tired the monster truck.
Yes. He's telling you guys about the characters. If you guys are parents, I'm sure you guys know what Blaze is. Good job. He knows all the characters. He's into Blaze close enough as much as how he's into Paw Patrol. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and is about to enjoy this vlog. We are out and about on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's cold outside, but the sun is out, so it's feeling really nice. Actually, it's saying 12 degrees right now, so it's feeling really nice. We are going to do some more shopping today because it's a sale period in France and we still haven't found any dining room table, along with some other little stuff that we want. I think babe wants to get shoes. I really don't want anything right now, but you might never know. I might just see something cute for baby girl. So I don't know what we might see along the way, but we are actually heading shopping and then go to supermarket because we realize that on the weekend, if we do supermarket and want to do something else after supermarket, just always make us so super tired, especially me. Probably just walking through the aisles is just add up and make you so tired. So right now we are heading to a little area where there's a lot of stores, furniture store, clothes store and stuff like that, to see if we can find some little stuff around here. So that's what we're doing today, and then we're gonna go to the supermarket and see what else the day holds. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just make the best of it. Have fun doing it. Stay loved, stay blessed. Love you guys, and of course I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. You guys, let me show you outfit of the day real quick. You guys, I'm wearing this brown jacket because with a girl pregnant, no jacket can't really fit. And a nice little brown dress, black stocking and comfortable shoes, that's it. And my boy, tell her what you're wearing. Tell him what color you're wearing. White shoes and brown pants and a nice jacket, right? Yeah. And of course baby's similar matching as usual. Me? Okay. Your top is close to mine. Anyway, you guys, first stop, come from one of our favorite furniture store, yeah?
After Kung Fu Mama,
we are going to another store.
Yeah, in the monster truck BI store.
Okay, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, these are tables, but they don't have what we're looking for. Don't think they have what we want in here. So I think we're gonna have to go to another store. Come, Ty, let's go. We might have to go to another store. Yes, baby?
When we already buy something, you tell me, okay?
Okay, I'll tell you.
And it has a TV.
Yeah, it does.
Ah, l'espace que je suis sympa là. Je vais vous prendre un numéro de téléphone.
We like this one. We saw it at the other store, remember?
This one
There's no extend. Square. More than 4 persons can go in this easily. Exactly why I want a round table. I will not take anyone except round. You guys, so this is something like what we're looking for. It's a table that extends and becomes round when you take out this middle piece. It's perfect. It's perfect. But do they have it in white?
En fait, vous avez d'autres coloris ou c'est le coloris? Je vais regarder.
You like this one? That one? Which one you want? You guys, and this is the fun part where I get to look at girl clothes. Girl clothes. Look at all these cute little outfits. I'll be shopping away. Look at this. Mama's little bunny. I can't wait to put her in these little dress with these little bottom things. Ah! Ty? Tyler? Yes, Stella? You guys, we finally got our table. The one that we wanted. But we didn't get any chairs for it. But we finally got a table, so that's good. Went home, dropped that off. And your girl is hungry. Your girls are hungry. And I feel for spicy. Yes, I feel for spicy. KFC. wings. So come to get that. Yes, Ty?
Why do I put
It's beside us.
why this inside?
Because it's at the park.
Why?
So you guys, we're in the car eating because we're at one supermarket stop, but I need some green plantains. And then we're gonna go to our other supermarket. And then I'm gonna go home to rest for the rest of the day. It's been a long day and I'm tired. Eat up! You want juice? Okay, here you go. This one is yours. You hold it properly, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so Tyler is eating tenders and fries. Babe, what are you eating? What is that?
A lot of raclette.
A raclette sandwich? Show them, let's see what it looks like. That's Babe. And I am having hot wings.
Hi guys, so it's after 11 and a half. Tyler is not feeling well. Tyler is gone to sleep. His eyes, his left eyes is killing him. He has some cold running down, some cold from the nose, so he's not feeling good. He's gone to bed, and he's actually with Babe. Babe is not feeling good too, but pregnancy problem, I'm gonna say. So I'm here alone watching TV. This is the table that we got today. I finally made it. So it's a little cute round table. We can extend it in the middle if we need it. So yeah, that's a good job. Thanks, Babe. She helped me to make it. So yeah, that was needed because we used to eat in the armchair, and Tyler used to mess up the armchair. Unfortunately, he's 3. So yeah. So now we all going to eat on the table. So that would be nice. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna leave you now. Have a good night. Stay blessed, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.